koutou katoa, nau mai, haere mai, ki Lush Spring Prize. We made it. Spring Prize was never just about celebration. It was always about recognition. This prize is a koha, a small offering for the mighty work that you are doing.
Declaring that we have a right to our Afro-Indigenous food systems. Never have I felt more that we have that right than here this week.
We've got to be working at these joyful, safe, regenerative spaces for health and vitality.
This work matters, but you don't need us to tell you that. Because the real reward is in the regeneration itself. It's in the intimacy that you build with land, with the relationships that you restore with people, and the systems you are reimagining every single day.
And as long as we are serving and stewarding regeneration with our communities as one earth, one family and one future, the future is already here because that's what we are doing here.
It makes you feel safe. Somewhere you're not wrong about what you're doing because there's so many people doing something similar and it's working everywhere. So so it's hope, mostly hope.
This prize doesn't fix the system, but it reminds us that the system is not all that there is. You're already building alternatives, already showing us how to live otherwise.
Ubuntu philosophy, the Indigenous African philosophy of togetherness, really guides us in everything that we do.
This room is proof that those threads, when woven together, are enough to hold something real. In Māori thought, we often end where we begun. Te tiro whakamuri, kōkiri, whakamaua. Look back while moving forward. Because the work continues after this prize, after this evening, after the applause, and it will be hard, tender, slow, and gorgeous.
There will be new words in 10, 20 years' time that replace permaculture or regenerative agriculture, but the practices are the same, and that's why we really have to uplift groups from the global majority, particularly Indigenous land stewards.
Our role and responsibility is to be custodians. We cannot actually be blocked out of nature. Nature needs us.
Lush Spring Prize has created such a beautiful space of hope, of light, of joy, and also of coming together with such different voices to remind us that it's many of us working across the globe, doing the hard work of fighting for our planet, and I think recognizing moments like this really gives us strength.
I think that would be it in a nutshell. Very real, very lovely, and a privilege.
It's just a room full of joy, and to me that's what the Spring Prize is all about. It's about joy, and I bloody love it.